What's up, guys? In today's video, we are reenacting Spryzen versus Lost Lunar in the Beyblade anime. You should watch this on Netflix if you don't watch it on Netflix, or you still watching it. It's just, get out of here of this video if you don't. Okay, ready and set, 3, 2, 1, in the anime, Lost Lunar won. So let's see if they can reenact it. Oh, for survivor finish, Spryzen wins. Yeah, I don't have the regular Spryzen, like Storm Spryzen. I don't have that one. But at least I have the Spryzen, so I'm using it. Shout out to my friend, all my classmates. I'm just gonna shout out to everyone. And I know they're not gonna probably not gonna watch this, but they were in class. What? This is coming. With a first finish, the Lost Lunar wins, buddy. Oh yeah, I'm watching the actual anime, but it's not the Beyblade Burst, it's the Fusion. If you want me to buy it on eBay, I could actually do that. Yeah, that's the old anime. So watching it, I'm watching it on Netflix. I love Beyblade, but I don't have enough Beyblade, so yeah. Let it rip. Okay, this is gonna get deadly. I swear that. Oh my gosh. Okay, Lost Lunar always attacks the dodge of Spryzen's attacks. Then he goes on back. Then he gets attacked. But he tied it up. Spryzen tied it up. Oh yeah, we're going up to 5. Yeah, 5. Yeah, 5. Oh, it's the wrong day. I'm wasting my time. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, wait, did it hop? For the survivor finish, Lost Lunar with gets point 3 to 2. Spryzen has 2. Lost Lunar has 3. I changed it if you don't know this. I don't know if you alright. Lost Lunar's time bomb. Oh my god, that was so close. But if you can't see, actually, Spryzen won. If you couldn't see, let's see. So that's too close. Spryzen. Anyways. I kind of like this. Okay, it's not fair because Spryzen doesn't have enough attack power, so I'm going to rip Lost Lunar, or not that hard, but I'm going to rip Spryzen very, very hard. Got it. What? Did you? No way! Guys, you know where it landed? Right there! Right there! What? Right here! In this very spot. It landed right here! What? It landed right here! Let's hop, he's landing there! What? Anyways, that concludes our video. See you guys later. Bye!